You're totally doing your Dubai investment wrong. Everyone's chasing big villas thinking they're jackpot. But what if I told you the smart money isn't where most people are putting it? With Damak Islands launching its second phase, that's their new clusters with 4 and 5 bedroom townhouses, the real question is, where does the ROI actually live? Now let's break this down with hard numbers, not hype. When Damak launched its first clusters, that's Maldives, Bora Bora, Fiji in late 2024, they sold out almost instantly. Investors saw water-inspired luxury island branding and jumped in. But now comes the second launch, and here's the thing, not all units are created equal. Now let's be honest, brochures may look glossy, lagoons sparkle, but for serious investors, only the question that only matters, how much does your money grow? Now this is where we separate the 4 and the 5 bedrooms. Now starting off with the 4 bedroom townhouses, because this is where the exact thing is. Now the entry price is approx 2.7 to 2.8 million. That's your entry ticket. The rental yield potential, expecting 9 to 10% in Dubai's term, which is fantastic, especially when apartments often sit at 6 to 7%. Whereas capital appreciation, well, we all know the answer because townhouses are a scarce product type in Dubai. The amount of townhouses and villas that are here are still lesser to the demand. And here's the proof. The Mac Lagoons, let's take Santorini, 4 beds appreciated between 15 to 35% within just a couple of years. And that's not just the hype, that's actual performance. Now, what excites me here isn't the math. It's a psychology of demand. Everyone wants a family home at an affordable entry price. And in Dubai, 4 bed hits that sweet spot. Not too small, not too large, it's Goldilocks territory for investors. But, and this is a big but, you can't ignore supply risk. 4 bedroom is a strong buy, but you need to think like chess, not checkers. Timing your entry and exit is everything. Now let's talk about 5 beds. On paper, they look appealing, bigger homes, island branding, luxury lifestyle. But for investors, the number tells a different story. Now we're talking about two different scenarios in terms of appreciation and ROI. Now talk about the entry price, we're talking at 3.9 million, and the rental yield that you can expect is 7 to 8%, which is an average and at its best. Well, 5 bedrooms again is a different scenario. Now if you're looking for capital appreciation merely, well, 4 bedroom is something which will perform much more better for yourself. 5 bedrooms is not a bad option. And families who want space, luxury, and don't mind the modest appreciation, it really works. It's a lifestyle, not ROI. And this is where many people trip up. They look at the bigger houses and think big house means big returns. But that's not how real estate math really works. Think about it. In real estate, rental pool for 4 beds is far wider, expat families, professionals, relocation. But 5 bed, yes, you do have a limited audience. Higher service charge, scarcity matters, but so does demand depth. And right now, demand depth for 4 beds massively outweigh 5 beds. That's why the ROI gap exists. Now, talking about Damak Islands on its own, we all know it's a beautiful island-inspired community. Talking about the location, it's right on the Emirates Road. You have easy access point. Not just that, you're within the city. That means you're hardly 25 minutes from anywhere. The airport, downtown. It's entirely a townhouse and a villa community, and it comes with tons and tons of amenities, which I've explained in before what Damak Island and what Damak Islands concept is. Today we're just going to talk about which would be a wiser choice for you as an investor. At the end of the day, the smart money follows scarcity plus demand. Now I know you must be wondering, okay, if you're an investor or an end user, whether to pick the 4 bed or the 5 bed, or whether to pick island entirely. Now I have done my analysis about the Mac Islands entirely. If you have any confusion or want to know more about islands or about townhouses and villas generally, then contact me on the number given below and I will catch you back in the next video.